The heart is slowing down. Blood circulation begins to fail. Oxygen delivery is stopping. The brain loses oxygen within seconds. Consciousness begins to fade. Breathing has stopped. Oxygen levels drop rapidly. Inside muscle tissue, fibers lose tension. Micro-movements stop. Vision shuts down from within.
Pain and sensation are gone.
The body no longer processes energy.
Detoxification comes to an end.
Inside the kidneys, filtration halts. Fluids remain static. Waste removal stops.
Cells switch to survival mode.
Cellular damage begins as the cells swell and the membranes start to bleb. Body temperature starts to fall. All internal movement has stopped. The heart has fully stopped. This is biological death.
This is what happens inside the human body after death.